Hi everyone, this is Luke. Welcome to another video. Today we will show you how to remove music from an Instagram video. It's quick and simple, and we'll have it done in just a few seconds. First, we open Instagram. We swipe left and record a short video as an example. And the only thing we need to do now is press the speaker icon in the option at the top. This will remove the music. Then using the music icon, we can add any music we want. Instagram has unlimited option, every single song you can think of. So you can play around with it and create a great story without your original music. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe. See you in next video.